Dali mo mag-bagay
Ayoko
ka
maraming
na.
puta ka. Kaya maraming lalaki.
Ano? Dali mo
Bag,
mag-bagay.
review. So today magbabag review tayo. Si Jug,
Ano yung bag review?
puta ka! So this bag is modeled by, made by China.
Okay.
Yeah.
Made in China to?
Yeah.
How much is that?
He bought his, I buy it in Japan.
Japan.
Ready for China.
But made in China.
Yeah, so today I'm gonna show you my things here. So we have perfume.
Perfume.
Yeah,
What's the name of perfume?
It's Sensi. Ewan ko, tama ba to? Ewan ko, tama.
Tapos, ano pa iba no? May
So we
nyondong.
have
What's that?
body lotion.
Body lotion.
This body lotion is from a brand, ang tawag nung sa ano?
What's the name of the brand of the
Sassy
lotion?
and Savvy.
Cars. Nice one. The other
We
one.
have Sukulay. Oh my God.
Nakikita. Is that even a white suklay? Ba't may parang black? Manahimik ka.
We have, what is this?
Lip tint.
Lip tint.
Or lip ba?
Yeah. So this is gonna be the exciting
Part.
We have some cash here.
How much?
We have 100.
100
100
pesos only.
Wait, just wait. Yeah, 100 pesos. Then
Okay.
we have another one.
Huh? Another one?
200 pesos.
Oh my
So
gosh.
we have, actually this is 200 pesos. And we have some coins.
How much?
Coins, they have, oh my God, wait. I'm gonna count.
You put that on your pocket, please.
No, I'm gonna, sorry.
Ipapakan mo siya.
26 pesos. We have 226 pesos.
Okay.
Today, guys.
You
Ano bang pinaka-ending
you
nung
tapo that 100.
Maggi? Yan sa atin.
Alam, dami mong